This is DJI AIR 2S. You may have some questions, like,
what's different?
Well, for starters, it has a 1-inch CMOS sensor that captures 20 megapixel stunning photos. Wait, there's more. 5.4K 30p video. That means you can capture every detail in jaw-dropping clarity.
That's pretty impressive. What else?
It also has a 3-axis gimbal that ensures smooth and stable footage, even in windy conditions.
Nice. That's it?
It has an active track feature that automatically follows and tracks your subject, giving you the freedom to focus on your performance or activity. And its advanced obstacle avoidance system that uses sensors on all sides of the drone makes flying safer and more intuitive.
Damn. That's f***ing crazy.
Yes, it is. Oh, and I almost forgot. It also has a 12 kilometers full HD transmission feature that lets you see what the drone sees in real time, even from far away.
That's insane.
Well, it has a master shots and focus track mode that effortlessly turns any adventure into cinematic footage with one tap. So, what's different? A whole lot.